Here's one more challenging example for you. And again, we're going to start with the oldest rocks at the bottom. So we're going to start with this column. We're looking at the letter E. I know that this can't be the oldest rock because I see an E over in this column. So I go down to this column and I see a T. I know T can't be the oldest rock because I see a T up here. So I go down to the W. I know W can't be the oldest because I see it here, which means that letter S has to be the oldest. So this is going to be where we start. And we're going to go W or S and then W, and we're going to stop because there is erosion. Now we're going to jump over to the W and we're going to work up till we see erosion again. So I see WIT, so I'm going to add an I and a T. And then I'm going to find a T down here, and I'm going to be able to add a Z, E, and an R to my list. From the R, again, I see erosion, so I'm going to jump over to another column that has an R, which is over here, and I'm going to be able to go R and then L and then A before I'm stopped by erosion again. Then from the A, I'm going to jump over here, and I can only get one more letter, which is an N, before I have to jump to a different spot. So here I'm jumping over to where this N is, and you can see I can get a bunch of letters. I can go N, D, G, and then a lowercase r. Now the uppercase R and lowercase r are different. So let's type these in. We have A, D, A, G, a lowercase r, and that's where we have to stop. So we're going to find another lowercase r, and here it is, right here. So above that is the E, which is lowercase e, and a Y, which is also lowercase, it looks like. We're going to find the other Y, and now we're going to find the H, O, and a U, all look like capitals. And then we find a U over here. That doesn't really help us. We have to find a U somewhere else. Oh, there's a U over here. So we can do a U and then a lowercase n and a lowercase d. And if you look very closely, this actually spells out Switzerland Greyhound.